Hello guys, so this is Chris, the climbing investor, scaling walls, stacking assets and chasing the Mustang horsepower. Guys, I just wanted to make an update because now I've been talking about DXY quite a lot and I'm gonna talk about it again because I'm so damn bullish on this coin. It's unbelievable. And so that's gonna be today's topic, DXY, and then I'm also going to go in and dive into the markets and give you a market update since we had a lot of things happen recently. Okay, and look, if you want to support the channel, please go ahead and like this video and subscribe to my channel, and also there's a link to my free Discord down in the description. And I have a few links that's special for you, and if you register with my links, you'll also be supporting the channel. And one thing that I want to shield to you guys is actually that I've mentioned before that I've partnered up with mexc, and I've got something special for you from mexc. They're offering bonus that is personally arranged for my audience, and you just need to scan the code on the screen, register, and the bonus is yours. So go and grab that before it's gone. It's a great exchange to trade on, and just be careful when doing leverage trading because you need to manage your risk. So before we will dive into DXY, I also have other links. I have a link to Ledger, to a very nice hardware wallet to keep your crypto safe. And I have a link to TradingView where you can do charting. It's a great charting tool. Follow your favorite coins, and also have a link to Coinly. It's a good portfolio tracker for when maybe you need to do your taxes or just in general have control of your... Alright, so let's dive into DXY. This is the Degens currency, and it's a protest movement against the current financial system. This is the Degen dollar, and the purpose of this coin is to flip the dollar 69 times. And once DXY reaches 1 billion in market cap, it will flip the dollar. And that's very, very cool. And also it's very smart how they put the contract address, because it starts with 69. So it starts with 69 and ends with 69. And I will let you know how to buy this coin, but just copy this address from DEX Screener. And if you have, for example, a MetaMask wallet, then you just copy this into the address, and first you connect your MetaMask wallet actually to Uniswap or any other decentralized exchange that works for you, but I would recommend Uniswap or perhaps CowSwap. And there you just copy and paste the address of DXY, and then you buy. You have to sign also. It recently had a bigger pump, and it's been consolidating at between 2 million and 4 million market cap, but this coin is going way, way, way higher. We will go into the chart and have a look at it, but first I want to show you the new website of DXY. This is the new website of DXY, and I really like the look of it. It's super cool. They have this matrix theme, and they show you how you can buy it. They explain that to you. They have the contract address here. There's a little bit of background, why this coin was created and what the movement is about. And actually this belongs in the stock to meme narrative, and there are not so many coins that have potential when it comes to the stock to meme narrative, and I think that DXY is the outstanding coin. It's the one coin that has the most potential to do you a 100x, 1000x, or hey, even maybe a 10,000x from the current market cap. So it's I'm very, very, very bullish on it. And the movement started with, and you know what happened, SPX, it went really high in its market cap. So yeah, basically DXY and the team don't want you to die poor, and I don't want to die poor either, so just buy and hold, man. And it's a protest against the dollar, you know, just the printing of money, just diluting the dollar, and this one cannot be printed. It has zero fees, it has burnt liquidity, and it has only 1 billion of supply. I want to play you this. I want to play you a few clips, so I'll play you this clip.
This is your last chance. After this, there is no turning back. You take the blue pill, the story ends. You wake up in your bed and believe whatever you want to believe. You take the red pill, you stay in Wonderland, and I show you how deep the rabbit hole goes.
I want to stay in Wonderland. And another one.
My name is Dixie, and I stand before you not just as a symbol, but as the spark that ignites our movement. We are here to challenge the old order, to question the boundaries that have kept wealth and power locked behind closed doors. This is more than just a meme coin, it's a revolution. Together, we hold the power to flip the dollar, to break free from the chains of traditional finance, and to redefine what is possible. We believe in a future where unity and innovation drive us forward, where the collective strength of our community can reshape the financial landscape. I call on each of you to stand bold, to believe in DXY6900, and to remember, change begins with us. The system is totally cooked, but with courage, vision, and unbreakable unity, we will turn the tides and forge a new path. Welcome to the resistance. Don't die poor.
Yeah, there you go. Don't die poor, and hey, don't fade DXY. Let's go into the chart and have a look at the chart. Here's the chart of DXY, and I'm gonna bring out the drawing tool because I want to show you something that I see in the chart. I mean, look at this bullish chart. It just sent up to the 2 million mark and went as high as 4 million in its market cap. And what it's doing now is that it's consolidating while going higher. And if you see this pattern, this is actually a very, very clean W pattern. So if we push up from here, which I believe we will, we're going to break the neckline of this W, and it's gonna send us up to the 10 million mark. Hey, just a quick disclaimer. This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and due diligence before you buy anything like this. Buying a meme coin comes with a lot of risk, so just keep that in mind. Nothing is guaranteed. All right, and this, when it was released, it got almost up to 10 million. So this W pattern, I see it taking us up to the 10 million mark. When we are there, we're gonna consolidate at all-time high, and when we get our beloved altcoin season, this one is gonna send to hundreds of millions. I mean, I bet it's gonna do 1 billion or even higher. And I mean, 100x from here is 250 million. 1000x from here is 2.5 billion. Just think about it. Put in 5 grand now, and you have $5 million by the end of the bull run, potentially. So I think this one has a great potential, and also the team is working very, very hard. It's a very hard-working team. They're releasing nice content, pictures and videos promoting DXY. They're getting KOLs to support the movement, and they're posting things every single day. People involved are raiding. I'm raiding myself because you gotta work for your bags. So I'm really damn bullish on this one, so don't fade it. Now let's get into the markets. So here we go with Bitcoin. If we look at, I'm gonna draw a little bit now. If we look at the RSI, Relative Strength Index, we can see that we have been trending down since the all-time high. Right now the RSI is pointing up, but it's not confirmed yet. This can change. But what I see is a little bit of a bullish div on the 12-hour that might play out. So we just have to wait and see, but it could be so that the markets will turn around soon. If we go and look at the daily time frame also, we don't actually have a bullish divergence on the daily, but still we're getting to that territory where we could have a bounce. And I think that now, since September is normally a little bit bearish for the markets, so I can see us maybe like for the end of the week, beginning of September, just like push higher quite fast, maybe reach even 130k, and then drop, consolidate here in October, going down almost to the bottom of the channel and then going up for the last leg of the bull run, which I believe could take us up to the top of this channel that I've created, and BTC will top out at around 145, maybe 150,000 US dollars. I also think that 150k is sort of a psychological level, so I could see us topping out there. But just remember, nobody knows. No KOL knows what's gonna happen in the future. We just predict based on historical patterns and so on. So this is just what I think, this is just my opinion, but we just have to wait and see what's gonna happen. Let's get into Ethereum. So here we go, here's Ethereum on the daily. We had a big drop yesterday. We could go down, we could easily go down here, like double bottom. Maybe we go down a little bit lower, like break the 4K level briefly, and then have a bounce, maybe come all the way up here again to the all-time high. Have a little bit of a retracement, because there's a lot of sell pressure at the all-time high. And then throughout September, maybe we consolidate a little bit. Then beginning of October, we have another push, and that's when we see Ethereum just go for the final push. And I do think that it's going to take us somewhere between 7k and 8.5. But like I said, nobody knows what's going to happen in the future. That's just how I see the markets. Do I think that Ethereum will go below 4k before we have another leg up? Perhaps. Do I think Ethereum will go below 3,500? No. I think that we can wick down below 4k, but then we're gonna go higher. Okay, here we go. This is Ethereum against BTC. This is on the daily. And I must say that I feel really proud about calling the bottom. I said when we were down here, I said that I start seeing signs that Ethereum is breaking out against Bitcoin. And it was this downtrend that I saw when we entered oversold territory here, that we broke out, and I told everyone that we have now reached the bottom and we are going up from here. No one believed that Ethereum was going to gain against Bitcoin then. Everyone was bearish, everyone was saying that Ethereum is dead. But I said, hey, it's not. Ethereum will start gaining now, and it did. So what do I think will happen now? I think that we are at a point where we could get a retracement. I could see us maybe chopping around here a little bit throughout September, beginning of October, and then we get a bounce, which will take us up higher. How high? I couldn't say, man, but I do think that ETH will top out around 8,000. That's what I think. Anyways, that's all from my market update. I think that we have some interesting times ahead, and once money starts rotating from Ethereum to bigger alt to the top 10, and then down to top meme coins, and then down to our favorite low cap meme coins, we're gonna have an alt season that will just blow your mind. And I think that the bull run might end somewhere in late December or beginning of January, maybe at most in the beginning of February. So we have some really interesting times ahead, so just focused in the market now. You have to stay focused, and yeah, now's the time to work for your bags. Alright, that's all from me, guys. Take care, and I'll catch you later. Bye bye.